erizo babeje ba St Joseph's Vocational School mbarara batunga ubuyambe bw'ibikoresho bw'umuzano gunka board hamwe n'empeke okurgomo ba ibanda community organization network ningasha icon kandi ubuyambo bwahebwa yabajokerwa ba Dr Patrick Bitature or patron w'ikigombe cy'urukuru umuzano gwa Cheso mu Uganda. Reverend Father Christopher Katonoro mukuru w'ishomero rya St Joseph's Vocational School yasimo biyambo ubu iki yagira ngo nkija kwera bejo kutungura byo kushoma kwabo hamwe no kuzana kusingura umucanga hamwe na Uganda yona.
Nintoro musho kusima ishugombe cha Dr Patrick Bitature cyakweta icon kandi kitire mama aniyo muzano gwa Cheso gwana kuzana kandi ntwenda kubasima aha bukutekateka St Joseph's Vocational School nkishomero n'amazuma tutwire ntwejumbura umuzano ugu kandi mu Western Uganda ntitwensinga nangwa tuza nationals tutwara Western region to representinga nationals kandi ngo tugunza mutwaraje.
But now with the coming of these boards from Icon, we believe that we are going to build chess right from the grassroots. So we're going to have an increased number in the boys who are going to train.
Personally, it went to Instagram smoke shanga bodies to skumala abana kandi binjaba beno bafuna interest from muzanogu so chess umuzano mu byo kwindura intekateka y'abantu so itunka Icon kuraba mu kitongo cyito kibanda community organization network kugira ngo twapine auka program zito twinenze kora atyo kweta mindset change kwindura intekateka y'abantu.
St Joseph's mbo champion bo muzano gwa bw'amashomero ga senior gecanga cha Ankore kandi umuza Uganda yone zihereze ku mu rutororo bakaba ba munana. Hawa TV West nda Aloysius Byamukama.